So lately I've been on the search for a new pair of wireless headphones or earbuds. I was originally leaning towards on-ear headphones just because I wanted to be completely wireless, not have any wires around the neck or anywhere like that. And after some research, watching a lot of videos and reading other people's reviews, I eventually settled on these. These are the BeatsX. They are wireless earbuds from the Beats by Dre line. They have really good reviews from what I've read, so I'm looking forward to opening these up, seeing what comes with them, and testing them out. Because I actually was able to find them at a pretty good deal. These normally retail for $150, or they did when they first came out, and now you can find them for about $100 on places like Amazon and Best Buy's website. But after doing some digging, I actually was able to find these for about $60 on the Best Buy outlet website, which is why you see the Geek Squad logo there, because these are actually refurbished, meaning they maybe had a problem with them or something like that. They were returned. They've been checked by the Best Buy team, tested and approved, as you can see there, and they are guaranteed to work. All right, so here we have the BeatsX Wireless Earbuds. I got mine in gray. So we're just gonna pull these out of here. So we'll set those to the side. And then a lot of the problems I've had before, I've had one other pair of completely wireless earbuds, but they don't stay in my ears very well, so I can use it for desk work when I'm just sitting down or doing something, you know, stationary, riding the bus, doing whatever. But if I start to move around in them too much, shake my head at all, or even especially working out, they do not stay in my ears. So I'm hoping that the BeatsX resolve this problem. So if you're doing some really intense exercise or something where you need kind of that extra security, you have that. And then these are the 3 sizes of earbuds that come with them. So small, medium, and large, basically. Most people I've seen said the medium work for them, and I don't usually have to use the interchangeable tips for any of my earbuds, so hopefully that works for me as well. And then on the back of that packaging, we have a lightning connector. It's a really short cord, so that's pretty convenient. So right now for my iPhone, I only have one of these, so it's good to have another one. And then this is our portable case to keep the earbuds in so we don't misplace them. It's really soft, and I think it should work. One of their main features is that in just 5 minutes you can get up to 2 hours of play with them or over that, and in 45 minutes you can get a full charge. So here are our earbuds. We'll open these up. I'm gonna take it out of its protective casing here. You can see they're magnetic, so they kind of just snap together. You can kind of wear them around your neck like a necklace. And then we have our volume up and down controls, as well as our button for starting and ending calls and playing and pausing music. And then we have these 2 sections over here. This is for pairing, and this side is for charging, so that's the battery. I'm going to go ahead and pair these up with my phone. With Apple products, so your Mac, your Apple Watch, or your iPhone or anything like that, these are supposed to pair pretty much instantly with one touch. So the Bluetooth on my phone is on, and I'm going ahead and press the on button, the pair button. And there you see it. I can go and hit connect and start listening. So it came out of the box charged at 50% or 49%, which means I should have about 4 hours of listening time, but I have heard reports of better. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do some listening with these and then give you my overall general first impressions. So for my first audio test, I started out by listening to 3 songs that I heard before, songs that I was relatively familiar with, on about 65 to 80% of my phone's maximum volume. And then I listened to some of that music on 100% volume, which is much louder than I would normally listen to music. And I did notice some sound like outside the earbuds when I took them out. But when I was wearing them, I didn't feel like the music was loud enough to hurt my ears or just give me a headache or anything like that. I felt like I experienced really full and clear sound, especially in comparison to my older pair of Marshall monitors, which are on-ear headphones, and they're wired. Recently with those, I actually noticed that the sound felt a little like flat to me, like I wasn't getting the full effect of the music or videos or anything like that. The sound was just starting to feel like a little bit far away, and overall, like it had less depth to it. So I was somewhat concerned about actually wearing the BeatsX, like how they would fit and how they would like kind of rest on me while I wore them, but the batteries and the other weight sit quite nicely right on my collarbones, and I hardly even noticed that they were there. And they actually do stay in my ears pretty well. I had no fear of them falling out while I was moving my head around a lot, or even if I was to take them out on a walk or during a workout. I'm pretty confident that they would stay in and be comfortable throughout the entire time.